Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I know you are looking for OnePlus Nord CE 5G phone which is released this year June. So it is available in multicolor like a blue and black. So it has got 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. So it has released actually just June only. Already you see 12,734 people reviewed this product, and it has got 4 star. So right now this product is available in Amazon with 27,999 rupees. So if you buy this product today, so it will gonna deliver to you after 2 days. You just actually check over here. So even if you want, so you can choose fastest delivery option as well. So if you choose this one, so the product will be delivered to you within 2 days. So this is wonderful mobile. Basically two types of this mobile is available. One is 8 GB RAM, 128 GB external storage, and another type is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. So as usual, the model name is OnePlus Nord CE. So storage memory is 256, and as I told 128 GB. So when it comes to this product item details, so 64 megapixel camera it has, and the rear camera it has 64 megapixel, and front cam it has 8 megapixel. So then this is a multi dual SIM mobile. It supports both 4G and 5G, which is pretty good. In India right now there is no 5G network available. It could come in future. So then OS, when it comes to technical details, OS is Android. As I told, RAM is 12 GB. Wi-Fi is also there, 5 GB, 5G, and battery capacity is 4500 milliamps, which is pretty good. And display features, wireless, smart. This is a smartphone. Color is blue, white, and black is also available. So this item weight is 170 gram only, and the manufacturer as usual Oppo Mobiles India Private Limited. This product released in India in 2021 June month only. So customer have reviewed this product. You could actually see over here customer reviews. Out of 5, 4 star is given to this product. Many people satisfied. You can see over here many people put review photos as well. They're very happy. Yeah, few of the reviews would be bad. So as you, that is a common, right? You can check any products. You can open any website. There will be a good review, there will be a bad review. That is very common. But what is the factor you should consider is this one. It has got 54% of 5 star and only 11% of 1 star. This product actually has got. It has a really got good review. So if you want to buy this product, I have given this product link over the YouTube description. Please go there and visit this website, Amazon website, and check product details and all. If you like it, you can buy. I should say one thing, that this is very good product. just released in India. It has got 4 GB and 4G and 5G connection as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care, see you.